What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of AC Bass. I'm with Skylar again, and we are at Loch Raven Reservoir doing some fishing, hoping to have a better outcome than the last couple times we were here. Granted, last time we were here, Skylar did catch a tiny white bass, but hopefully we can catch some big ones today. It is chilly as hell outside today. It's cloudy, foggy, perfect fishing conditions. So with that said, guys, we're gonna do some fishing. You guys stay tuned. I mean, that water's kind of cold. Have you felt it? No. It's a little chilly. Guys, our graph right now is showing that there are this many fish below us.
Yeah, wait for the
but I'm gonna wait for this side scan to come through, because there's no way there's this many fish right below us. Well, guys, we've been out here for about an hour. No bites so far. I feel like, Skylar, we've been coming to the same spots the last 3 times out, and we haven't caught anything. Maybe that's a sign.
I don't think so.
Why don't you think so? So we just traveled across the reservoir, hoping to get some decent bass. just pick it up. I just got a decent amount of grass as well. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What?
That's a lot of grass.
Oh yeah, that's a shit ton.
I want to punch it. What'd you say? Why do you want to punch me, man? That's so messed up. Got our first catch of the day. Skylar caught a 3-pounder. Oh God, that sound is putrid. Come on, buddy.
I call that map a match.
You got it. You got it.
I got it.
Got it. Guys, it's been like hour and a half, maybe 2 hours since we've been out here, and it's just as slow as it's always been. And I don't know. Every single time we come here, we don't catch anything. We always say we're not coming back until the bite's back on. And what do? We come back out. We don't know if the bite's well, the bite hasn't been on, but we're gonna keep on doing what we do semi-best. We're gonna keep on fishing. You guys stay tuned. So we're heading back in to the boat ramp right now. We've seen like 4 things floating in the water, so we decided to pull up to one of them, and we're pretty sure it's a dead bass. So I don't know what's going on at Loch Raven right now. There's a bunch of dead fish floating in the water. I'm gonna show you here in a second. That's a bass, dude. Something took a chunk out of it.
They didn't test it?
Yeah. That's like the 4th one we've seen, right?
Yeah. That's a decent sized bass too.
Should we tell DNR, like, if someone's poaching? Because it's literally like the 4th one we've seen.
Yeah, there's like 2 or 3 up there.
It's just in a line.
Yeah.
Should we tell DNR?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know for sure what it is. It's my first time I've seen it.
Yeah. Like, I want to call DNR, or at least tell the people that run the boat rentals, just because if someone is out here poaching bass, like, it's obviously not cool. Like, bass are probably one of the best fish to catch, and especially like this is literally like the 4th or 5th one we've seen. So if people are out here just poaching, like, they definitely need to be reprimanded for what they're doing, because it literally looks like someone just took a chunk out of it. So I don't know, but we're heading to the boat ramp right now. We might tell the guy that owns the place. We might not. I mean, we really don't know what's going on. But we are gonna go grab lunch real fast because it was super slow today. We didn't get any bites. But we are gonna go pond hopping. Hopefully catch some bass for you guys. You guys stay tuned. So this is day 2 of this video. I'm at the pond that Skylar and I were at the other day, trying to redeem myself. And I'm fishing with my buddy Jack. You guys have seen Jack before. He's the guy that was fishing with me on that 2v2 Loch Raven tournament. We're gonna be both fishing this tiny little spot. Hopefully I can redeem myself and he can get a fish today, so you guys stay tuned. Guys, this pond is so gross. It's literally just brown water. Like nothing else. And you can't, like, look at that. It's literally just coming off of my reel. Hoping the evening bite picks up very soon. Guys, so we decided to fish the creek. I had a fish take, which I think was a bluegill, take my line down. And I went to set the hook and it got set on a piece of wood. So now I have to go into the water because that's the only, now I have to go into the water to get this hook out because that's the only hook I have. Oh, how am I getting down there?
Jumping.
Dude, no, look at this mud pit. Oh, dude, that mud is, I can already see how thick and deep that mud is.
Yeah. No, it's not gonna be fun, but
Here, this is what we're doing.
good?
Yeah. That was a ginormous spider web I just walked into. Oh yeah, no, yeah, we're ankle deep here, boys. It's like waist deep right there, and I didn't even notice it.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Look at this. That's not even all of it, dude. Guys, I also want to make it clear that I don't creek fish very often. Creek fishing is definitely not my specialty. I honestly enjoy creek fishing though. It's just, yeah, that's exactly, it's just peaceful. Although I could do without the horse flies that keep biting me. Let's keep moving. So they're just trolling you. Oh, dude. Are you good?
Tell me you got that on film. Oh my god.
Dude, I literally just saw like death in your eyes. Like the face you made when you almost went in. How did you hang on?
I grabbed onto anything. I don't know. I just had a heart attack.
Alright, let's keep moving.
Yeah, I don't like this spot anymore.
Guys, so we came up to the bridge and this is what we're looking at. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to land a fish from up here. Because I'm using 10-pound tests. So we're gonna give it a try. I know you guys can't see much because it's railing, but don't tell me I have a fish on, dude. I have a fish on.
Do you?
Yeah, for sure. I just got hit really hard. He doesn't have it yet. Dude, there's definitely fish right here.
Oh, 100%. I mean, I see small.
Might make the move to drop down there, dude. What's the easiest way to walk down? This side or that side?
Wait, you trying to go on that side?
Yeah.
Yeah, walk around. There's a little trail right there.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you. All right, we're gonna walk down there because we've seen a good amount of fish. Coming, Jack? My shoes are annoying me so much right now. Oh my god, I almost ate it.
We'll probably be here a while. I'll check the boat out.
Oh god. That is a huge deer tick. It's a dead deer tick.
I shouldn't have jumped. So I was thinking, wow.
I did the same thing. Oh!
That's a carp. What was that? It's a big ass.
That was a carp.
Oh yeah, dog. There's a 30-pound carp around there. Yeah. That thing was huge.
Oh, I missed him. I either have a little tiny bluegill pecking me or it's a smallmouth. I can't figure it out. I think it's a bluegill, but holy shit. Dude. Oh my god. I just sank into ankle deep mud.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the blue.
Got one.
Oh shit. Smallmouth, large?
It's a largie.
Right at the top of
It's barely hooked. Yeah.
That's impressive for your first time.
I know, thank you. First creek fish of the day, guys. Let's go. I'm gonna let this one go. Don't worry about the camera. I gotta chuck him though. Let's go.
Right back to his home.
First creek fish of the day. Cause I just hooked into another tiny bass, but chill, dude, chill. I'm getting this out. All right, guys, we're gonna call it a night now. See you when we get back to the car. Hi, buddy. See, some fishing with you. Always a pleasure.
Another day getting skunked. No big deal.
See you, buddy. Drive safe. This is going to conclude today's video. I know today was a two-parter. Started out yesterday at Loch Raven, didn't really catch anything, and then we came to this spot today. Did a little bit of creek fishing. Caught 2 tiny bass, but I'm not a huge creek fisherman, and I really don't fish creeks often. So just catching some bass, actually catching 2 largemouth bass in a creek was a huge success today. Even given that we were on probably about 3 hours of fishing today. I'll definitely come back here soon. Hopefully very soon, actually, because I really enjoyed this place and spending an entire day here and actually being able to film an entire day's worth of content for you guys. But with that said, I'm gonna keep this outro short and sweet and to the point because where I am, it's kind of sketchy, especially being the only car here right now. Guys, like always, please make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys on the next episode.